Can this help me? Let's see. Mine was a gift. It came wrapped in cellophane. Moroccan Oil Weightless Hydrating Mask for fine dry hair. Hydration. Who can read this tiny print? To use, apply generous amount to towel dried hair and comb through. Leave on for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse 1 to 2 times weekly. Less frequently as hair improves. Use as directed. Here is a list of ingredients. You can pause this video and read all that. It's so tiny. Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. It has a sealed top. I will provide a link for you to purchase this product or one similar. It smells wonderful. The texture is not exactly like butter. Probably go on well. It smells so good though. Look how badly damaged this hair is. I just put some of this on half of my hair, and I knew that it was going to start breaking here because it was like all frizzed up from me putting the sun in it and putting it up in a ponytail and sipping on it. But you can see on this side how damaged it is. This side looked that bad. And my hair started coming out even while I was very carefully putting this in here. So I'm going to put some more on here and just kind of leave it on here for the most of the day, and then wash it out and see. My hair is just so super dry. It's just soaking up so much of this. I know you're supposed to wash it and let it stay in there for a little while, but oh, my hair, I'm afraid it's so dry. I'm afraid it's going to fall off of my head just like during the day. So hopefully this will make it stay on a little bit longer. So you see where it's kinked up and frizzed right here? That's where the damage was, where I put the hair tie and had the peroxide on there at the same time, and it just stretched it too much. So that's where it's all going to break all the way around here, and then in this strange pattern here because I had it pulled up like that. So I know it's just going to break. I know it is, but I had to use this much of the product the first time just to put it on my dry hair. So it smells wonderful. Maybe bald after this. You'll still love me, right? So I left this stuff on for a couple of hours, and my hair was already clean. When I got in the shower, I merely rinsed the conditioner out. I didn't wash it, just rinsed it out. It was super easy to comb out. I know this is gross, but I used a comb to kind of detangle it, and always some hair comes out, but only a little bit came out, and I expected a bit more than that. It feels pretty soft. I've been letting it air dry for a couple of hours. And I'll probably put a blow dryer to dry it fully before I go to bed, because with the bleach on it, it makes it really fragile when it's wet, and I don't want to be rolling around on it. That's what caused a lot of this too. So I'm going to end up having one of those haircuts from the 70s where they're like, you know, cut here and then it's long down here. Yes, I paid to have mine cut like that. Rick Springfield. I have Rick Springfield hair, but I'll take care of what's still hanging on, right? For my second use, I washed it with some Pantene Daily Moisture shampoo. Then I just put the conditioner on like regular conditioner and left it on there for about maybe 8 to 10 minutes while I was taking a shower. And I haven't brushed my hair in 2 days. I've just been spraying dry shampoo in it, like roughing it up and pulling it up in a bun. So I really expected when I did a comb through that a lot of hair would come out, but I'm sorry to show you this looks gross. But look at that. That was hardly any came out, and there was hardly any in the shower. You know, when you like condition your hair, you make that like a little spider wad on the shower wall. Make sure you remove that, by the way. I just didn't have a lot of hair loss this time after using this product for the second time. So fingers crossed. I think it's really doing the moisturizing, the deep conditioning that I need. Show you the round. My face is really red because I'm doing a serum peel and a scrub, so trying to get better all the time. After washing and using the conditioner the second time, just a few minutes in the bathtub, I let it pistol blow dried it, then I put it in a bonnet overnight. I put a little bit of argan oil and Morocco on it, and then used my Longe straightener. And I was surprised that this is all the hair that came out after this. I know that it's going to break all the way around my hair, all the way around my head, I mean, but I was really expecting more than that to come out. Additionally, I went ahead and flat ironed it because I just wanted to see what it looked like, pretty much. I'm going to show you what my hair looks like. It still looks really bad. You're going to be able to see the damage and then where the breakage is going to continue, but I'm going to continue to use this, see if it improves the moisture of my hair. So you can see, even from the last time that I filmed, that a lot of this is broken off right here. I thought about trying to cut it off and making it just have straight across bangs, but this is still pretty long right here, and it's long enough to be able to pull it to the side. And this is going to break off. It's really crunchy right here, really, really crunchy. And on this side, it was really, really, really hard to get this straight. You can still see like the little frizzies in there. And in the back, this part is not even. You can see like that much of it's come out. So my hair, the breakage and damage is real, people. So we'll see what this product does for it. I used this last night, and I've used about that much on my very badly damaged hair. The times I wash it that I don't use this product, I can really tell the difference. So I washed it last night and just blow dried it. Normally it is extremely crunchy right here, like very crunchy. And you can tell how damaged it is because I sprayed the sun in it and put it up while it was wet. So it stretched out all around here and it broke off. It looks even worse in the back. So, but this product makes it where the styling is so much easier, and all I have to do is just like try to take care of what's left in here and see if it will hang on and grow out, because this is probably the worst I've ever damaged my hair. But I haven't done any kind of styling to it other than just blow drying it last night and slept with a bonnet on it. You can see my big flat spot, and has no other products in it. So I'm going to use a curling iron and see if I can make it look a little bit better. So I've put a curling iron to this, and please don't judge the, this is not a haircut. This is what's left on my very damaged hair. But using the product has made it so much softer. These ends are like just dry and brittle, like just amazingly horrible. But this conditioner like makes it where I can style it. So don't like the haircut from the damage. But I'm just going to try to let it grow out. But this product's making my hair feel good and making it where I can style it and it's not crunchy. So, love this stuff. Highly recommend it if you have dry hair. And if your hair is like as bad as mine, it's going to help. If your hair is not as bad as mine, then you're going to love this product. You're going to love it. This is shampooing and conditioning without the Moroccan oil, and you can see the difference. I just blow dried it and it is very, very, very dry. So I need the Moroccan conditioner till all this grows out. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment. Remember, you can check in the text below for a link on how you can buy this item or one similar. Again, thank you for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel or a playlist that suits your needs. Until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.